This is the nerdy geographer. The world's fourth most populous country is all set to welcome a new capital city as early as 2024. That's right, we are talking about Indonesia. Very recently, the government of Indonesia has approved a shift in the capital from Jakarta on the island of Java to the province of East Kalimantan on the island of Borneo, which is more than 1,200 kilometers away. Let's talk about Borneo for a second. Borneo is the third largest island in the world, the biggest in Asia, and is almost split in half by the equator. Indonesia covers over 75% of their territory on this island and shares it with two other countries, Malaysia and Brunei. This is the proposed location of the new capital city on the east coast of Borneo. The new capital will be called Nusantara, meaning archipelago in Javanese, because it reflects the country's geography. The Indonesian archipelago, by the way, is home to more than 17,000 islands. The move to shift the capital would greatly benefit Indonesia and ease the burden on Jakarta, which is currently the most populous city in the country with more than 35 million residents in the greater metropolitan region. The island of Java, in which the present capital is located, is also the world's most populous island with an incredible 150 million people living on it. That's more people than the entire population of Mexico, which is the world's biggest Spanish-speaking country. Geographically speaking, Jakarta just has too many problems. It's subject to frequent flooding, which is a direct result of climate change. Jakarta is also one of the world's fastest sinking cities due to rapid extraction of groundwater, aided with rising sea levels. Another big issue the city faces every day is the alarming increase in air pollution. So is the decision to relocate the capital to Nusantara a good move? Well, it depends. In terms of relieving some pressure off Jakarta, then yes, it's a good move. However, in the long run, building a new capital city from scratch could have a significant impact on the environment, especially if it's located on an ecologically active zone. The rising population in the coming years could directly endanger many rare species of plants and animals and threaten the destruction of rainforests, as Borneo is home to one of the oldest rainforests on the planet. Considering all this, if Indonesia can quickly come up with a viable solution to address the environmental challenges on the island of Borneo, then Nusantara has the potential to transform into one of the most eco-friendly capital cities in the world. Do you think the change of capital city is a good move? Let me know in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching.